Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cabela's jerky slicer is probably one of the most essential tools for jerky enthusiasts who demand precision and efficiency in their jerky making process, ensuring perfectly sliced meat every time for even drying and optimal flavor, ultimately elevating your homemade jerky to a professional level, saving you time and effort while delivering superior results compared to manual methods, making it a worthwhile investment for both beginners and experienced jerky makers alike. Number 5. Advanced Beef Jerky Slicer Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in jerky making precision. This kit guarantees perfectly uniform slices every time. Say goodbye to uneven jerky. It delivers consistently gorgeous slices, no matter your skill level. Customize your jerky to your preferred thickness. It offers total control over the slicing process. Cleaning up after making delicious jerky has never been easier. The included cutting board is completely dishwasher safe. This high-quality knife makes slicing a breeze. It's designed for effortless, clean cuts. With this kit, you'll create restaurant-quality jerky at home. Enjoy perfectly sliced jerky with minimal effort. What we like. It guarantees 100% precision uniform slices, and the thickness is adjustable to your preference. Plus, cleanup is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. If you value precision and convenience in your jerky making, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. To get the similar cuts, you must press down firmly on the meat for each cut and it takes 10 to 15 minutes. The slices are even and cleanup is simple. The knife was sharp on arrival and could carve thin, precise pieces using the guides. Easy to use, and made for great beef jerky, cutting through a partially frozen roast. Okay, so this did an excellent job of slicing 4 of round roasts on the first go. Consistent size was my objective in ordering this and it didn't miss. The knife is beautifully sharp. Number 4. LEM BigBite 2-in-1 Jerky Slicer. This innovative attachment is a game changer for meat preparation. It's 2 tools in one, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Tenderize tough cuts of meat or slice it perfectly for jerky, steaks, or fajitas. It effortlessly handles both tasks with ease. The slicer roller creates 14 even 1/4-inch thick slices every time. It's ideal for consistent jerky or other sliced meats. Simply switch rollers to transform it into a tenderizer. It easily handles cuts up to 1/4 inches thick, making even tough meats incredibly tender. Its compact design and easy-to-remove parts make cleaning a breeze. The powder-coated aluminum construction ensures durability. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support. Replacement parts are also readily available. What we like. This versatile tool does double duty as both a slicer and a tenderizer. It creates 14 perfectly even slices at 1/4 thickness. If you need to both tenderize and slice your meat, this is a must-have for your kitchen. What people say. The jerky cut beautifully and every piece is uniform in size. Just dropping the meat into the inlet, they fall right through, hardly slowing down at all. Then rotate 90 degrees, drop again and done. Makes quick work of slicing perfectly even jerky strips. Number 3. Precision Meats Jerky Slicer Kit. Making jerky doesn't get any simpler. This kit has everything you need, a premium slicer, a professional chef's knife, and even seasoning. It creates perfectly uniform slices for delicious jerky, every time. Adjust the thickness to your liking and avoid food poisoning with consistent curing. This slicer is designed with safety in mind. The knife guide rail keeps your meat in place and your fingers safe while slicing. Slicing, seasoning, drying, and cleanup are faster than ever before. Just follow the simple steps for perfect results. Try it risk-free for 90 days. Love it, or return it for a full refund. Click Add to Cart now. What we like. It produces perfectly uniform slices every time, ensuring even cooking and preventing food poisoning. The safety features keep your fingers safe while slicing. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to make delicious jerky, this is the one for you. What people say. This is easy to clean, easy to store and great quality. It also really does help to slice the jerky meat in thin and consistent pieces. The knife is really sharp. Very easy to use, with a very sharp knife included. I use both plastic shims to slice thin cuts for jerky, then tenderize them, makes it easy to pound even thinner. Very easy cleanup. Number 2. LEM BigBite Jerky Slicer. It's a 2-in-1 motorized jerky slicer and tenderizer. This innovative design lets you tenderize or slice meat with ease. Use the slicer roller to create 14 perfectly even 1/4-inch thick slices. They're ideal for jerky, cheese steaks, or fajitas. Tenderizing is just as simple. Just remove the top, swap the rollers, and it's ready to tenderize tough cuts up to 1 to 1/4 inches thick. The chute measures 1 to 1/4 x 4 to 1/2 by 8 inches. It includes one slicer roller and 2 tenderizer rollers, and a powerful 0.5 HP motor. We stand behind our products. Enjoy a 2-year factory warranty and lifetime customer support. Plus, replacement parts are readily available. What we like. It's a motorized slicer and tenderizer, saving you time and effort. It creates perfectly even slices for consistent jerky. If you want a powerful and efficient way to make jerky, this is the best option. What people say. Directions aren't the best, but you can figure out how to switch around the blades easy enough. We process our own venison and tenderize all of the medallions. It is a high-quality product. Works great. Number 1. Weston Manual Jerky Slicer. Tired of tedious jerky prep? This slicer makes quick work of cutting meat into consistent strips, saving you time and effort. With 32 stainless steel blades, it slices up to 15 quarter-inch strips at once. It's fast, efficient, and produces perfectly uniform jerky every time. It easily accommodates large pieces of meat, up to 5 inches wide and 1.25 inches thick. Perfect for processing big batches of your favorite jerky. The built-in C-clamp allows for easy mounting to any table or flat surface. It's sturdy and stable, ensuring safe and efficient operation. 2 stainless steel combs are included to help guide the meat smoothly through the slicer, preventing jams and ensuring a consistent cut. It comes with stainless steel tongs for safe and easy handling of the meat. Keep your hands clean and your jerky preparation mess-free. Made with durable aluminum construction and stainless steel blades, it's built to last. Enjoy years of reliable performance. What we like. It slices meat quickly and efficiently into consistent strips. It can handle large pieces of meat, making it perfect for big batches of jerky. If you need a durable and high-capacity slicer, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Using top round steaks 3/4 thick and cut to a max of 5 wide, the steaks went through the slicer like butter, just a light turn of the handle and it practically fell through the slicer onto a plate below in nicely uniform thickness slices. It took only a couple of minutes to slice up 6 pounds of steak. It cuts the beef well. I have made 3 batches of beef jerky. It is easy to clean. Awesome for jerky. So easy to assemble and use, it makes great 3/16 slices. Had it up and working within 20 minutes of it getting to the house. Only prep work is to trim excess fat and size large cuts of roasts to a 3/4 to 1 thickness so it will fit in the top opening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.